Hi, today I want to show you a trailer we built for our client. X-Line Premium. It comes in this fresh grass or lime green color. My name is Yulia and you're watching the Lifestyle Camper channel. The advantages of traveling with a camper are obvious. You get the freedom to explore different places, stay in beautiful natural locations, and enjoy the world around you. This trailer is equipped with a Knott torsion suspension, 15-inch alloy wheels, and all-terrain tires. From the exterior gear and accessories, it includes a roll-out awning with mounting hardware, an awning room, which can serve as a kid's room or an extra sleeping space, an additional fold-out kitchen canopy under a fixed solar panel. By the way, this trailer features our upgraded 180-volt solar panel, more powerful than the previous version. It also has an outdoor shower and a convenient exterior plastic shoe compartment. Let's take a closer look at the sleeping area. Wooden slats and a mattress sized to 1.4 0.1 meters, a transparent roof hatch with a fan and temperature sensor, a roller shade and an automatic Webasto diesel heater with a multi-controller. The interior walls are finished with automatic carpet and there's a comfortable soft headboard with lighting at the back. This area also has a storage cabinet with an HPL laminated front. Control panel. Here you control the inverter, exterior lighting, night lighting, and the dimmer. The Webasto heater's multi-controller is also located here, along with a 220-volt outlet, USB port, and the stereo system. You'll also find a clothes hook, a cup holder, and a mesh organizer. All furniture is fitted with special locks that prevent cabinets from opening while driving. Since this camper is for a Ukrainian client, the control panel is in Ukrainian. It's a new feature we've introduced. Now, the kitchen control panel. Here you have a 220-volt outlet, a dimmer, fridge controls, the main power switch, car charging mode, inverter button, another 220-volt outlet, a 12-volt USB port, and a battery charge indicator. We also added little warning icons. If customers place large pots or barrels here, the plastic can get damaged, so we remind them to be careful. There's also a QR code linking to a full PDF manual for the entire camper. Inside this compartment, we have the battery charger and the controller for the solar panel, which in this camper is a higher power version. The compact stainless steel sink comes with a folding faucet. You also get a cutting board, a 25-liter compressor fridge with a freezer function, a single burner gas stove, LED lighting, and a paper towel holder, a very handy feature. Storage zone, an enlarged front storage compartment with lighting, a two-section design with a total capacity of 322 liters. By the way, this is something they get asked about a lot. This camper also comes with an additional solar panel for extra autonomy, gifted to the client. The storage compartment has two sections. The first holds the gas cylinder with its mounting bracket and gas regulator. The second is the luggage compartment, which in this case is used for the awning room, mosquito nets, and the solar panel. In this hatch, you'll find the diesel heater. On the door, we placed step-by-step instructions on how to use the Webasto system and remove the quick-release parts. Off-road X-Line is a compact trailer that lets you comfortably reach remote places. Their large campers simply cannot go. Travel comfortably with Lifestyle Camper.